cut down our mouth to fit. So we took this off in here. We took this out in here. I'm going to cut about a 3/4 inch off back here. So that's going to fit. So what we're going to do now is we got these 3 blocks. They'll get glued in here for our neck. So we're going to glue these 3 together, clamp them, let them sit overnight, and then we'll mount them into the head and glue them into the head. Enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page, I'd appreciate it.
It looks pink, it looks like it's bubblegum flavored. I'm not going to say it again. It looks really yummy. Why would they make it look good if you can't eat it? Okay.
This Eiffel Tower toy is pretty amazing, by the way. I'm looking at it, and it looks like an actual, it doesn't look like a Lego at all, does it?
Legos are incredible.
I mean,
They're amazing. I'm just saying, having put so many of these together, you've got
it says you do it in 4 big steps.
nice.
Yeah.
I think a lot of the parts look exactly the same.
Yeah, because they're all, she's that gray, silver color.
All right, right now, I want to remind you that with the gift-giving season arriving, one of the best gifts, I love this one, is Omaha steaks. Perfect to send to, say, your brothers that live out of state. Hey, look what I got for you. I didn't get you tie, I got you some steaks. Something you will use, eat, and enjoy. Josh, tell me more. That's right. Achieve gifting greatness this year when you give the gift of perfectly aged, tender, and delicious Omaha steaks. The steak experts at Omaha Steaks have put together special gift packages to help take the guesswork out of gift giving. They're going to make you a Mom Day hero. Go, be a hero. Visit omahasteaks.com. Use code BTS at checkout to get $30 off your order. Send an assortment of mouth-watering favors, guaranteed to impress, like the legendary Butcher's Cut Filet Mignon, air-chilled boneless chicken, ultra juicy burger.
So we'll set this up, let it dry overnight, then we'll sand it down and mount it into the head.
Are capped by a wonderful dessert like caramel.
Thanks for watching.
They brown up